My previous video, I made a mistake and said it's 350. In your account, thank you for correcting me. It's 300,000 twice, plus 500,000, making it 1.1 million. And I could say return 300,000 because I'm supposed to send you only 300,000. Till today, JPAC return. So I could thank you for that correction. I am your post a few minutes ago.
Somebody will frame up something about me. When did JPAC start talking with Ifan Oba? Of which led to this kind of things. If I didn't say it today, you will not know. Because I have no time coming to say some of these things.
One thing about you is that stop looking for people that will give you any credit. Credit come naturally. Appreciation come naturally. I have done more than that your little thing on a widow. I have done many things that all of you turn to be evil. I have done many. To raise money online, Ogechi, I started it. To support people with their platform, Ogechi, I am the creator. Abraham, that's 80% of you who know, all of you guys, we are my followers. From A to Z, we are my followers. I beat my chest to tell you this. I clothed all of you. I fed all of you. And when came I keep an auto on here. And that's it. Boyadi akanna yuku. Also no bagwela kachamono nini. Na me, but the icon of this page you may use now. I was the first Igbo person that started it. Onama kenko noma. Which one way you lay left or right one? I built all of you guys learned majority of things from me. I said him, I'm a chichi. I deserve it. With the full chest, I'm a kuya with the full guts. All of you, we are all my followers. Just as envy, jealousy. Why would she be the one doing it? We will destroy her, we will damage her, we will put all the false allegations against her. Uro? Because you guys could not take that all Ogechi. Easy, Frank. If you comment rubbish again, I might block you again. And then, if you distract me one more time, I'll block your destiny. All of you, from A to Z, every Igbo person, you learned it from me. Also, like you believe it, also like you cancel it. This history is there. But to jealous, evil-minded set of miserable bitches among you all will not accept it. How many times have you acknowledged it? How many times have you sat down and say, yes, Ogechi, you deserve an award? You are looking for, I don't look for validation. Let my work speak for me. I don't need it from all of you. Let me block you for sending this your rubbish number here. I don't need it. But to only you share church validate here. Only you money church validate here. Only church recognize your men or what have you done? If I may ask you. What have you done? Kehime. Majority of you guys stood up. Doishi that you have never joined my enemy with fake account and fighting. Doishi. And I bet you negi credit. Negi kenka. You that knew that I'm fighting for this set of people selling our women nude to stop. What have you contributed in it? What have you? Absolutely shit you have ever contributed. But you go there to derive joy where they are sharing and selling women nude. They will to anye lot. We're all to anye limo. Opo ga pegi your remaining eye. You get a hold again until down. Why are you deleting? If you got the boss, comment. Why are you deleting? Why are you deleting? A comment that happen. Don't comment and delete.
If the good somebody has done is not sizable enough, Why not go and do better than what the person has done? Let me share this video.
Look at idiot. Trying to make people to feel like he belongs somewhere, that he can do something that until young that he cannot achieve. Jeremiah block all the idiots. What I go? That you can do. Others cannot do. Dala.
The whole problem noises you see on social media today. I'm not telling you that JPAC is perfect. Or sometimes if they fuck up, well. The thing they pay me. Most times the thing gets me mad. But I don't also need to come to social media to tell you that I've shouted for JPAC on so day. Just few days ago.
But you can come to social media to call me a prostitute. You can come to social media to lie against me that I'm Nambromono. You can come to social media to create lies that Ogechi that in Naira. You can come to social media, right? But you cannot come to social media and tell JPAC that what he did is wrong. Clap for you. All of you hypocritical bastards. Look at you. Look at how useless you are. You sound so empty. So empty. So empty. Oh God, they call you a bube. Oh God, they call you a bube. When the main war will start.
I was bitter over JPAC. JPAC went to China and went there and made a video. Out of his video, will I say out of incitement or thereabout, JPAC said that Negie went on his journey to China. No Kazego went on a wedding. Are you trying to insult people that attended your wedding? I felt bad and I had to shout on him immediately. Keep appreciating those people who attended the occasion. The day he started making videos, no one they told the time of wedding. I ran mad. Many of you saw my comment. None of you appreciated it. I bounced on him. For anybody to squeeze that time to attend the occasion, that person has done better than giving you money, sir. It's not easy. For somebody to lock up his business for 24 hours and attend your events, that's enough. His issues with Igbo Credo, God Almighty bear me witness. I came for JPAC's wedding days before then so that we could plan very, very well. I met him, he turned camera, he was trying to make video. I said, which video again? Wow, can you make a wedding? Says he want to respond to Igbo Credo. I said no. God Almighty bear me witness. Emeka here is a living witness. I breathed it, I said don't try it. You've also made mistakes by coming to attack yourself because of Aqua. Somebody to correct here. Are you listening to me? I did not chat Igbo Credo to say I have cautioned JPAC. I did not say it before anyone's hearing, except as I am saying it online now. He is alive. All of these things, they are not things you are only waiting for me when I will come on the social media and start attacking JPAC. There is no need for that. When I know I can still do it better inbox. Some of you will leave your lane. You will come to my WhatsApp and tell me to avoid JPAC. Will I avoid him for what? The more you avoid him, the more you cause more problems. If you love him to be an Igbo, if you love him to be your brother, then correct him with love. My judgment on this particular case and saga about Ifanyoba, watch me, I hardly do it. You hardly see me with the big people and I will start posting their pictures because am I posting it to promote the big man, so a rich man like Ifanyoba?
You are an idiot. Nobody knows you. You're just a ranter. I'm this, I'm that. You are nobody. You even went close to ex-convicts. Sorry. You even went close to wear belly face. For him to introduce you to Ndoma. You are nobody. Won't you magi? I'm ready to piano in election. They piano you because nobody knows you. You are only going close to J-Pipe. The way Haji scatter to layer. But I'm gonna refresh. Who is this? Hello? 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 Thunder Babuogi. Come on, let me block you. You even had the audacity to start calling me in a Telegram. Let me block you. Block user. Yeah, fuck off. Get the fuck out of here. What this Arabic idiot Look at you. You are only running into wear belly face for all these little connections. Because they won't you again. I don't have to start posting. Look at idiot. You soro Timbaland. They have to say a picture. You use bagino dogopo. Let me block you again. I block you. No, another regular account. Fools. These useless, hopeless idiots. Not Telegram. Okay? That was the only reason you went in there. Don't worry. And I know you are ready to submit your own IK. Because you must pay the price. Because if you don't pay it, you will remain where you are. You will remain okay. Ha! All this is there are many price that made him pull such crowd. You want such. That was why in a Sarizia no tulo nebu walking talking. Oh, I didn't tell you about what's up, but I'm okay. Commissioner puts up a plug. Don't worry. Actually, about what's the problem. My pain you're dealing with. Don't worry. I will then show you that I am bad. Oh yeah? Otila. What I go? Anybody go? Big. Look at an idiot. Gay sorry man on us. One picturing way home. Yeah, you won't go back like this. Because Johnny has she caught the election or Yola. She caught the election or Yola. She but one baron na one go agabata Nigeria. She want go na if na one go na run no Nigeria ngaro no ga like water the flow. What go? She had that one go na fe na Nigeria be kan nga. Diarrhea na she J-Pack ike na me pa. Una ga J-Pack no ga shimbo. J-Pack ala no she. Ona ni she no ma because everybody dey yo. Eh? J-Pack no dey pupu. Ibe na pupu no ma. Wow. Chineke bon knock. E wala. Look at him this is sugar. Wako is rolling like in Gashishi J-Pack Amago. La papa. You were the boss. Wako pata. Wako cannot come back. Wako cannot come back. Wako cannot come back. Wako cannot come back. Who tired? Wako is in Nigeria and you are still ranting. You have not went and comforted Wako. He's still running like a diarrhea when you get control like a tula. J-Pack. He's in Nigeria. Even I got here in the January. I got home there. Bro, I got home na Newe. I gonna Newe. I gonna one na Newe. Got home there. Yes. What I go? Because you want. You just want social media to see. I remember when your election were taking place. We fight it because Johnny actually caught Oru. Awejile jerula yejeru. Awejile rula yeru. Person na the rich there. court to HMA ayo. One ya kwog gabe nebe. We will not take it. The youth of Ngokbala will not take it. Oga. Where is the court and where is the youth of Ngokbala? Under those are not you to Ngokbala are more reasonable and responsible than that. Imane she rent in down, go and pay. You have already paid the mesa to Lola. You just check out Aboro, Debu cement. Nigeria, but maybe she water. How about claim you to Ngokbala? A failure remain a failure. And when he gets Yaka, you win. You can never win anything. But you always want us to validate you. You also want us to give you credit you can never earn. You can't. Laburu, make is the noise. Ako will never come to Ngokbala. If Ako come, I will break Ngokbala. Ako can never step his foot. We the indigene. Bang bang bang. Pa pa pa. Poo poo poo. And neji ben negi. Pok 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 pok. Otilo. And when he pastor. Carry echo. Shiano go to land, Shiano go to land. Every time, I got my doge. Or and Goku. The man no waste of energy, waste of time. If you're listening to it, you're wasting your data and your time. No positive, no nothing will you that of it. Who is this? Let me block the idiot. On a block, like, why can't I block that no here? Chiri. Okay? Otido. Now, let's go back. Can you gig? Chaff talking. Nobody's talking.
Some people will come and tell me that that they are disappointed that I did best man for JPAC. What are you saying?
Nobody. You are just reading comment. You know that even yourself you are disappointed to be a best man. Nobody is telling you anything. All the things you're talking never existed. You are reading comment. Nobody ever confronted you with evidence. You are a liar, a pathological liar, a liar. You are. You are just reading comment because people comment to finish. Nobody came to tell you shake them. Lie. You can't deceive them, my fair. I need my fair. If I am.
Are you okay at all? Do you reason like human being?
Comment here. Comment. Now what you in the car?
I don't understand our people. There is one Mpama I blocked the other day. I was on live section, he went and copied picture of where I was standing with JPAC on his wedding. I went and cycled the shoe I was putting.
I no tell you, say na comment in the cry for or potala no potabe. Now when somebody secular post, oh you begere comment. Na comment in the cry for. Nobody contacted him, nobody reached out to him. Again. Okay, bye. You don't have to be on a boring. I mean not dumb job again. Oh yeah, Otilo.
And that of JPAC and say that I should explain why I am not wearing the same shoe with JPAC. Oga, are you that daft? Are you this blind? JPAC brought shoes from abroad. And I said to them that my size is 43 big.
So there is no 43 big in abroad. Otuanye with the highest. When my husband was traveling, I sent shoes to Ako. Oh, go and look for work. Okay. Anyway, can't have work. I sent Akuneyi 47, 49. Yes. And when who this size of shoe, because I'm watching basketball players. She have big shoes here. So you cannot come and tell me every other thing. Any other thing here. Now lie. Oga, enter, shut up. You lie. Now the shoe they pay you. I'm gonna go push you again pay. Oh yeah, fugagi. And when would the big even size in the basketball players eba Njaka and which are who in America can win. So what are you saying? So abroad, but your own did not reach you. Now that coily. Come make us a comment Nemegi and Joanna gonna dry you poo. Now quiet you.
Or 44 small. The person went and brought 42.
Imagine.
Tag me the Emmanuel, let me read this comment and block him. So when I came upon the texture of the shoe, I put my leg, it couldn't enter.
Explain tire.
And I said I cannot wear it because it will pain me.
The same explanation J-Park put back bang Basarana one year. While J-Park is the Oya Merian like that. When I go explain. Oh my gosh, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about it. Oga, I respected you yesterday. Oh, I respected you, Kebru. I'm facing Kana. You know, say, you get to listen to the Lalayo. Lalayo. Mamba Pankets. Let me hear you.
Somebody, Arins, they just said, is it true that J-Park is another Bobrisky? Goodbye from this page. So when I put my leg, the shoe couldn't even enter my leg because it was 42 small self. Should I shout on J-Park? And we decided to go to Ireland. When we got there to search for the shoe, we couldn't see it because the time was not on our side again. And I picked a shoe similar to that. I don't know how people behave. J-Park has not told you that he's rich.
Eh?
Why are you fighting him just immediately after his wedding? Whatever you sow today, that shall you reap tomorrow.
Come on, shut up. Come on, shut your trash. Una hunnon gunu gegida kunu egide ikpere. Ashigin. Aya, get the fuck out. Singapore. Singapore, son. Then I hold out there, I got my going. Then I hold out there, I got my going.
I'm telling you because I know how nature flows. It will return upon you.
Shut up, oh. Shut up. Oh. Who cares about his wedding? When J-Park commits a crime, if J-Park commits a crime, yeah, war wedding here. Why are you guys touching on rubbish? When J-Park commits a crime, yeah, war wedding here. J-Park commits a yeah, war wedding. Because you know na koeri. Na koka ndebu warishi. Ahungage bisake bisa yiberi. Time is shown.
Somebody was not fighting shoes. You are talking about a man who bought suit of 1.something million naira to do his wedding.
On which people detriment? On which people detriment? These are the list of people that contributed for J-Park. J-Park here in Wogi. Anyway, come to the style. Which people contributed that money? And Aturun Ali Igbo is on our soy and so that a man Gano Atora Ego Jalwania is a sacrilege. It's a sacrilege if you don't know Igbo tradition. Then I practice tradition. I will tell you what Igbo tradition stated. That is a sacrilege. Nana who play. Hold on, can play that one voice note. Can bagina I'm a moment Igbo than all of you. So for J-Park Pota, ne kuoku question you kuoku. Because all mother to Riego Jiloma and I will quit out long. If you don't know, you know it's now. It's wouldn't need no paracoruno. Because I'm a moment Igbo. J-Park was without anybody contributing time. People took a J-Park total of almost 15 million. Now you're talking about she's Kate is about 1.5. She's let me get return or quote to her. I get return on that suit. That is 1 point something. Only three return yeah. My game is out of dated. Ndala. And I told my mother go in why. Jeju mena Igbo. Eba na ezuko atu ego na. Ebe mmadụ nwụrụ onye ji mara Igbo. And when you're in ego ka ọ ga lụọ nwaanyị. Ọ arụ. Ndala. Na koyi.
That suit you see there was not the first one. There's another suit he bought. We checked it. The suit was not qualified to what we want. The suit I see with JPAC. I didn't collect it.
Shall I come to team of your friends?
So we dropped that one and went for another one. That one he wore that day was 1 million something. And somebody who has data of 350 naira will be busy insulting the young man.
Shut up.
Help me. And I was looking at them.
Let people contribute to the game. Let all the names that we
After his wedding, hells were let loose.
Shut up.
Demons came out of their kingdoms and thereabout. What will you benefit when you keep hurting the wife? You have a sister.
Shut up. Or the wife who knew me and you open to insult. Or the wife who knew you were going to show what. Anyway, I don't want to go deep because the other kid disrespecting them they borrow money. What I go? I shaking it. I don't want to. Lebaya, all the information in that Lola get here. Oh, we got like only long wine. I'm gonna leave when I make committee of friends say we go jalo wine. Should I post it? Yeah, post it. Lebaya, I got Lola, jalo wine. You can post it ever. Lebaya. How many people contributed for you? Thousands. A guy contributed 50 something, 15 million. In a big boss. Lebaya. Then in a non-boon net urego. Here. And I call it. Committee of friends. A bad king on a leave one and a loan to committee of friends. Yan and no people be here. Can you know wine? And I call it. You won't tell me go. It's not all the payment slip that's giving you money in your wedding. Are they not the ones? And then you go payment slip. All people look like the wine again. So all wine in public. It's a public wife. Now people marry and give you. Now public property you marry give. Only you wine and I owe you. You know be public property you buy give us. Are they not the payment slip in the matter go? Is it not the public property? In Abia Korani. People raise the money, even if it's EU, people bought it for you. Even the clothes where you wear, now people buy give you. Even I know we but people buy borrow you. Can I call you? It's our property. Yes. So you're already rent out. Anybody can buy, it's public wife. Anybody can rent it money because you just suffer lawyer. Yes. All the people, got go for the Kenyan 100,000. And they can 500,000. People contributed when they have their head. So each and all these people to go that she want near one night stand. They will not give that. She will not give them. She will quietly do it. She will humbly because they paid for it. They paid for it. So no, just tell me. I want hello London money. So anytime I may run, if in comment section can request, give me they can rent her at any day. Chineke boru no come. Na one time to tell. Which people are where? Which people? You did it in Egypt. So what Eva is here commented as Eva. You rented her in Egypt. So what are you saying? What are you fucking saying? Nara.
You have a sister. You went as many of you went as far as tagging Senator Ifeanyoba.
Imagine Osu talking.
There are consequences to everything.
Shut up,
Somebody is telling me that I should stop blocking. I should stop blocking people, that I'm a celebrity. Did I tell you I'm a celebrity?
Who is celebrating?
They were all waiting to see how that wedding will flop down. But God,
first and foremost, you guys told us now Governor Gabia Jepak was making mouth. So people were eager to see. You guys brought us attention. You guys brought the attention to us. Jepak Petrana Senator will come, Governor will come, Oneka will come, Oneka. Are you guys not the one that started the focus? People that will be there, people that we should expect. So when people started putting interest in what you guys allotted them, yeah, what problem? You guys announced your wedding. You told people to wait in the. So when people started interfering, now you start crying. When you gather people to raise money for you, public wife is what you marry. So anybody that gives you money or generation or relative will also ask for the pass of Igbo. Ask for the pass of the package. So I don't know because you did not suffer as Igbo tradition demands. What are you saying? She's a public things. She's a public property, so anybody can go and collect.
Definite mercy came. That young man in the wedding, they make a also bloggers Kajia Boya propaganda. After his wedding, cooling van half was the remnant of the drinks.
Who bought those drinks? Even people that J-Park collected their drink, till today he has not paid them back. But I'm a chair. First record plenty. You stole people's money till today. You did not pay them back. Because of 500,000 in your gigantic. You a thief because you are a liar. It will not share.
I and those people in charge of the drinks handed it over to J-Park. He was even saying, I want to know who I can't Maya, Messiah. I'm a young man, I am home, Maya. No time of their champagnes were everywhere. 21 years. Even me, I never believed J-Park will withstand it. But God made name for himself. His in-laws, how do you think they will feel? At this point, when you are saying things that are not verifiable because the senator is not alive, if he's breathing before God and man.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up! Because the senator is not alive. Who the fuck are you? Iwonye Newi. Ochicha Marihepro, okay? Who are you? Iwonye to come and speak on behalf of Ndenewi. Who the fuck are you? Come and go and speak for Ndengo. Are you related to us? Are you part of us? Who the fuck are you? Iwonye? Does a Panamnewi runs you? Iru half of it, Newi men. that when the opportunity and the guts to speak. Come on, take a regular Ochicha. In my part of your town, we don't regard you guys. We don't regard you guys. Come on, go and correct all the prostitutes who never can nabapuna. Go and correct all the showers and the men that are busy in the state. We are too big for non-entity like you to put them out. Go and try it, Ban, and they will let when you get recognized. They will see you as an infidel. All the camera, we are too proud. Come on, shut up. We have men that can speak. You are nobody. At all. Shh. We are from town where people like you are not manyono. We are from place people like you that are not regarded. Because I know ya. Imagine people states no dia na wura pona no dia na radio to mo. Can I clean you? Say that. Shut your barbaric evil mouth and go and sit down. Ochicha many here, okay? One down. Degree pay me. Look at you talking. Can you talk on your orgy? Even the poorest person man we will rich man a ben. Unyara. And they may pawn not talk. And narry. Shut the fuck up, mama. Wishing down my waganya. You know rich. Then I and your when you are busy destroying Newi, or then Newi Jibu, I'm gonna go number Newi. I'm going were you busy calling in Newi? Are you not calling your fellow idiots from your own area? You might not want you Newi destroyer. You didn't know when you are busy destroying Wagwata Africa. You might not want Newi call in a shut up. You see why I came for my brother. You see how I defended my brother? Because it's from Inewi. I need you, Bubiri. We stand to defend what belongs to us. Go and defend your people. Take it again. Or to get taken la shin. If you say a shepa. Come on, we are not failures. We don't rant. Kevin, see it however you like it. Fuck you and fuck what you think. My mom won Imo. You can see that I speak Imo dialects. So, however you want to turn it that bastard again, get the fuck out. My mom is from Imo. I'm part and parcel of Imo. You can see my dialect and I'm as Newi. But so, ngai okura kayono. Ngole okura kayono akana woku ono. Mesi ha hunu geme. Ngopura kayono. I go chana na kona. I can ilulu ahu ndibo. In a shibo set, ndibo set up not like Rawunu. Not like Rawunu. If you come to that part, do you want me to dago in that area now? If you come to bang, respect only go. Respect yours. Fuck out of here. In a bear man, you are an infidel to talk when you know we are dealing with their matters. Fuck off. Nobody invited you. A man wouldn't know we inherited that a man from that area back manyanano. Ondono Kurakayon, I Imo State full time on Noba. Almost 80% of my investment is in Imo State. So what are you saying? Nagigaro mad. The more that I get back to a hopeless man like you will run mad. Come on, shut up. Why you just want Newi? And how one Igbo? He started the discrimination by his statement. He started the discrimination by why not mentioning Anambra State or Igbo Nine? When you guys start discrimination, when I enter, I become the problem. How useless one of them. He started it, pointing directly in the Newi. Why didn't you send Igbo? And when the brain had it very short. When you start problem and they give it to you, you want to exonerate yourself. Idiots. I'll be with her into sentimental. She share him. Dala. Fucked up set of people. Charan, kind of idiots.
If he is breathing before God and man. Who knows what would have become of you? But nevertheless, he has family.
Shut up! What will become of you, we Unegi? Nevertheless, he has family. Oh yeah! Go to their home. They tell them, say, Ogechi, we have Jepake. Go to their home. Why are you here around there? You want to be the messenger, you want to be the person that go to his home. Oh yeah, on Facebook. Oh yeah, with this your dead and buried page. Emo your hand and never gabe around to shine and take question. If he happen to be alive, shut up. The Shano, one, you are nobody. You don't talk when we are talking. You are not among us. You are not from Newi. You are not part of us. So shut up. Go where you came from. Wonyara. Chabi Shifua. Who called you? Nobody got anything we need your own opinion. Because they gave 500,000. They gave you 500,000 to come and write. They were a joke with what you want. They were a joke with what you want. Are you one of us? Nego when you record nago when Aribiji related to us. Chineke Bungon. Madoha Mabuegi.
He has relatives.
Look at somebody that is letting problem how to get you to enter problem and also calling peace in the same video. Who is he trying to maneuver? Look at somebody that pretended that he's calling for peace. So, first of all, bigger problem how to destroy Ogechi. In the same video, gonna make a peace. Who are you if you got common sense? You don't maneuver me anyhow. That's mean when in common sense. Now the same video, for them to start shit with Ogechi. It's the same video. You are pretending to start calling people. Hey, where man are for this blue apple? Indiko. Make me hear. Hey, listen.
And somebody is typing on the internet. You come back to Nigeria, nobody will touch you. Oh, who lives in Aba? A deflected animal. Come with so many criminal charges and cases.
You know how this idiot? Okoko who lives deflected. The same deflected is the one you are honoring. The same Akosayon deflected is the one he proposed to. Nakuwe big, not carry thousands of one person together. The same deflected criminal. A criminal boy one now. It not be if I know and JPAC you tag their picture. Do the same thing. Tag your picture and call him a criminal. The same deflected keep every morning and night. Keep a relationship with him. The same deflected is the one that paid you millions and gave you 50,000 Ghana back on Egara. Visit here. You see how bitter you are. I could don't push. Let me bagi who he be a Nigeria. Whenever I had to go okay no chicha. You are okay no chicha to another house. I could don't want you. Learn how to move on. Learn how to pack your frustration and leave her alone. I could don't even know that you exist. But every morning and night, you are crying for a dead relationship can never be resolved. How many times have you called people to reach out to our cookie make your peace? Akwe berry again. How many times are you telling people a sad truth or you put on social media again? How many times have you seek for peace? You call on ya because Kemeregi peace with Ako. akwa agbachi ụzọ na ị ga-agabu ụzọ rie Ogechi. The same thing gonna J pipe. Ya show unu ga-agabu ụzọ rie Ogechi before my this is what you call friends. This is bad talk Ogechi there. Aga m na aware na. Oh, you dey aware? I will be aware. The same person in a back every day. Kenacho, who will settle your matter? Peace. Unless Mama Dizzy who I could accept your miserable life back. Berema pa. Tiri woblolo. Berema pa. Akwalap gogi. I don't have your time. But deflected tire. Look at you that like a dry stockfish. One of the stockfish can just show or fake a mission. And when I'm big mini, when I get to worry. Man, I'm a big mini, she might get low, come on, get to worry. It's Sharia, got Sharia. That baggy. I need to eat you. You're a dry fish. And when you no gishi, your brain are dry, like any nigga dry. Keep him on go, yeah. You are dry, you are finished. Go and look for your class. Ako is above you. Go and look for your class. Ako alap gogi. Cry me a river. Ndauka alap gunu. Ako don't need you. Ako don't want you. It's over. Can't you move on? I know there are friendships that worth millions. Priceless. Ako is one of them. Ana hoya da. You are still crying. The pain is still existing in you. Deal with it. It's over. Go and look for them. They will do you more better than looking for. So move on. Go. Forget Ako and have peace. No this and no peace. When every day gonna be. Every day gonna be. When I she make it that you don't even exist. I think I'm back time. Yes. You cannot do me anything. Let me repeat it again. I heard that you are threatening when I come to Nigeria. Let me threaten. Come to Lagos. Mohammed on the 30th of December. You will see me. I will land there by 5 p.m. And they make sure you bring red carpets. If you miss it, 30th of December, Kanga land in Molitala Mohammed. Bruno red carpet unu. Madati Uabuja campaigning for you that both of you are failed politicians. 2 of you are the useless 2 politicians. Make sure you bring red carpet for me. I don't want to step on ordinary ground. Because the queen is coming. Ofonye netinyu no bagara. Everyone. It's time. That's one third. I'm returning. So with red carpet, if I don't see you with red carpet, put drug a bit to red carpet. You got the rock queen. The dog is London. 30th, 5 p.m. Come my flat in land. No, you man and you dates. Molitala Mohammed. I show no they own a hundred kibunu. Una la kibunu. Kebulamana and kebu kebu na tono. Don't forget. For those of you that said I'm not giving date, I'm giving date, I'm giving time. 5 p.m. when you can check 6 before our luggage. When you can see 7, I'm Mjabata. Because you know how delay and delay. Watch out for British Airways. British Airways. On him Jabata. Rujam. If you feel one thing, that's Imeriela. Because that everything you have stated on this blue app are all fake. You couldn't achieve Shechem. You couldn't. But to drink down when I glory that you have arrested Ogechi. That you have finally brought Ogechi to justice. If you don't do it, if I come when I not do anything, when I return. You guys know. If I get the man in Nigeria, I'm not pounding until you want to return. So this is our last straw. Because when day Mahagashi, rest in peace. This December. When the Mahagashi, oh, I don't know. Ketchup one, because so many not to ketchup one. When then to have walk to anything. The PhD because some of the family knows so we better in here. Hey, this time, this coming of pain. After all, lazy and a wounded mother jailia. The dog can ban my butter. Pain is coming. At least somebody need to shed blood for me. Don't I want it? And am I what to ya? The one woman in the tune of Bagaranishi. All of useless Igbo men. And it's just worry. British Airways. Come na land. Charam, Namaleta Mohammed. 30th. 5 p.m. Kaplane Emmanuel. When he came slow, low, 6, 7. Charam. He got home and I'm about Nako. I don't want Nako. The meet and the keep him very welcome. That's it. At least so far down on a December, well, the 30th Abachana December New Year. The Bruziagawa. So you try and achieve one thing. Because all the rest of your life you have been a failure. Then Odo Abuja. Odo Abuja, Shina Pataga for Gene Beke Hayata. Odo Abuja the Kayamata. Odo Abuja Apatara. Na get teach one KJ 17 ya Kurie. Odo Abuja Patra social media. So you guys should at least achieve one thing. KJ bully Odo Abuja. They will hang Odo Abuja on her shoulder. What I go? You want to use Ogele music? Okay, job today. Can they book Ogele music itself? And I don't need to book it. A lot of people will book it for me. So, I buy you ex-convict. I buy you Abuja. Do Sunandara. Mad people everywhere. Bunch of losers. Dala.
I don't want to go into saga with anybody.
Shut up, you are in saga.
But we should be guided.
Shut up! You are in saga. You are in saga already. Idiot.
Capacities don't talk. On that day, did you see them? But they went somewhere and sat and we are taking glory.
Imagine how a lunatic. Imagine how a compound stack hungry idiot will sit down and claim glory that never existed in his capacity. And people are not again. On the market. Lie. And people are not banket. My brother won't come back. Lekpam Nigeria on the 30th. Lekpam Nigeria. I should have a meeting the dicky there. After all, they showcase your power that day. Oh, we got like it. We got like you watch that movie. Yeah. Would you like to watch that movie? How many years Odo Abuja declared unwanted? How many years? 30 to 6 years now. Don't worry, I'm coming to that wanted case now. Because if because I need to iron it now. You want to go? Are you liking about this news which make more popular? So no negation I am nabata. Why not? Ishi wakadi abonite now. Ishi jilabola nite. Iche fule. Ishi is coming. And what when yoga na Golia? But all these celebrities, content creators that are more popular than me, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Don't you know that grace is too much? No matter how it came, grace is sufficient. No matter any angle. Ex-convict in a chem. Odo Abuja in a chem. Criminal can ere auto in a chem. The whole world, all of them. Come back. Even man, the comment section with the fake account, mama. They are waiting for me. They are waiting for me. Even the content creators, they are having meeting waiting for me. It's not ordinary. Aye. Odogu. Ishi yejila bola ni te da o. Dara. Listen.
The Bible says, let him that nameth the name of the Lord depart from iniquity. Some clergymen should mind the kind of people they allow around them.
We detest you. Whichever clergyman you're referring to, have loved Ako, favor have found Ako, grace has found Ako, Ebewele. Why didn't you dictate it then when Ako was feeding you? Why didn't you? Why did you make this post when you was eating Ako money? The clergyman, look at an idiot, look at a fool, look at a dead, look at an infant, look at a man that worthless being. A rant, a nobody, a man 1 naira, 2 naira can buy. He's not advising clergymen not to be around that. You see why they are carrying false information? They just suspend the ACO. Go to suspend the ACO. Ejikara suspend the ACO. Who's on her job? ACO alapugogi. Gashieni ke. They ACO is a choosing one. Umunna David dimene everything hamere n'ime Bible. Mecha kporo ya. Kpoga ebe aga hụ ya anya. Ashi na enwere choosing one no here. Umunna David dimene ihe niile mere atofu umunne ya. David na atụ atụrụ ebe akpụpụrụ ya were other ones present cha. Ashi no. And when another person no here. Ako has found favor in the sight of Daddy, and there is nothing. And that love, that grace, Daddy the Kosrenishi has put Ako in different corners of this world. President Maya, Governor Maya, Senator Maya, IG Maya, everybody. Oh, when grace found you, deal with it. Ako is too heavy. You better you go and sleep. There's nothing you can do. Deal with it though. Is okay. You better get whatever handkerchief you use. You chagan and you chanya. What's the whole game about it? He bigger. Have go. Another one you come and cry. He ruin anybody advice because it is too worthless. Oto onye anya kporo onye ara ụmụaka aka otula onye werela aka rufucha ụmụaka ime otula onye ji anya ahụ mmụọ ọkpụ ụmụaka the fingericious ọkpụ ụmụaka oju otu anya agwọ ọkpụ ụmụaka Chineke kpọ ọgụ ọkụ akụmata ga-ekpu gị akụmata go chọk you akụmata ga-adọ gị mkpụrụ akpa amụ gị fekeshia ya akụmata go kpọme you Akumata. Hey! Akumata ine huna gi BP no wa. E huna mkopo. Ikene babako. Bema kwako. Oge mege cham.
They will not only destroy your name, they will destroy the church and destroy beyond.
Mba ino. Eni gi nwoke join and then agba Zion war. What did you do? What was the role you played? You went on the back, you start apologizing to Mbaka. The same person said that everything that he said about Mbaka was right. You snitched. You snitched overnight. You start destroying the same Muka he made advice. Huh? But who stood by those Undoka? Zion. Who stood by that person you advising? Zion. You joined your weird belly face. You switched overnight. You started destroying on the same person named the advice. What did you do? You got on 360. Where were all those your advice when you switched? Can you be those advice now? Where were those your useless advice now? You weren't able to make it. Oh. Brain gonna miss some some reasonable things. Brain gonna miss some reasonable. You don't remember your past things you have done. So you did not remember all the plans you joined them to criticize Ebukobi and the church. Now you have turned to give advice. You have turned to give advice. In that society, you are the most dangerous species anybody will keep away from. Because you're not reliable. You can be discharged, you can collect money, you can betray at any given opportunity. Now you turn around to apologize to Mbaka after everything you claim that you said were the truth. Who is who? Konyaga is enough. Or would Diako have maintained his consistency? Or Diako have maintained his honest, his stand? Kage is a koge. You that is a snake, you and J-Pipe that cannot stay one place. You that later dined with those that you criticize because of Gene. I could refuse to pay the money you and J-Pipe want to scam him from. Those shabuo. Can you see your dirty life that is advising onye meha deronaho? Aku is like an angel where you did. Don't you ever. Anybody that listens to you is a stupid idiot like you. Nobody will listen to your advice. You're not worthy. You don't have the record. You don't have the record. Your record is dead. Idiot.
You will never see me. You will never see me. You will never see me share anybody's nude.
On this nude matter, I think I will take it up tomorrow. Because Ogechi John, let me start getting ready. Where did we stop on this? 42 minutes. Good. Please remind me tomorrow. I will come back because I need to start getting ready. Let me get ready. My husband is sending a message. Can be prepared and real. Tomorrow, on this nude matter, I will come 8 p.m. Nigerian time. 2 p.m. Nigerian time. On this nude matter, Owe bank I'm chori but I don't have time to run it now. I'm just getting ready. My people, I will see you guys some other time. Remain loved. Remain loved. I am coming that nude. Eba hino join ya na eke nudu umwai. Eba hino join ya na ere nudu umwai. All of us, we will discuss it tomorrow. On that note, see you some other time. I love you guys. Remain loved. Before we leave, there is something I want to show you. Before we leave, there is something I want to show you. Akena this nude matter. How you are a member, a supporter, selling our women nude 30,000. Tomorrow, I'm coming with evidence. So anything all I'm logo. I should give evidence on my callers. I don't receive calls because I don't want anybody to slow me down. Evidence, they are my callers. My followers has been complaining, okay, release number for them to call. But I'm not a weak presenter. I don't do that. I come with facts. So before we end this program, I would like you to watch this program. I would like you to watch this video.
Yeah, good afternoon. I'm doing how far? And I got, as you can see now, you can really what you know now. This is the road. Yeah, from here I can see it very well.
Yeah, our hospital project. You know how far we have gone. Where we are. This is where the hospital projects are at this moment. This is where we are. Yeah, we're buying at this wonderful time.
This side,
in our hospital projects.
Huh?
The place is big. It's 5.5 blocks that I gave to this project. Yes. I'm not competing with anybody. I am not here
Yeah,
to
so that's what it
compete with
says today.
anybody.
So
No.
about to get off the chicken now. Oh, that one. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This is our hospital project.
So yeah.
I want to
After the
leave this
first,
last memory in you.
after those work now, we can hang our gate. I get here our gate.
Thank God for the job well done.
Gate, mama.
The beauty of the gate is back. This is what we are doing. So they build a permanent staff quarter in case of the main hospitals. Yeah, just maternity where people gonna have and other things will be taken care of as well.
So it's about to go the chicken now.
No man,
From tomorrow. We're chipping now, so by tomorrow we are starting the security house here. Not keeping our giant things so that our cable foundation. We can get better chipping now. Yeah, so.
Don't forget to join me 2 p.m. tomorrow Nigerian time. Don't forget to join me, please. 2 p.m. exact time, Nigerian time.
ya so na kaya. Na mbe go ko ya ta na na. Ito ga tiro bere na. Ga tiro bere na. Ba si ma iti tripi han ogiru kwa ba. Ga tiro bere sa kita cho ko block oza. Yola. Iga ego lo yo so ara ko ku peji. Ko na ko wi na ba. No. Una balanza lota. È una balanza la triplo lota. La balanza go. Dari so Bai, odi kitrenga, odi kitrenga, odi kitrenga hana. Odi kitrenga. Nga hano na bangi. Nga hano na sara ke. No, chicken egg.
Who is this? Who is this? Hello?
Mana na-ekwu maka netwọk. I won't come in here. That just cut up animal.
They call me. Who is this? Hello? Hello?
I'm in a class in the one.
You get your name with a live video.
All right, we'll do tomorrow. So we're starting our security house tomorrow. We're starting our security house tomorrow. So we're starting it here. Not to get down the check-in, but you can have a lunch. So we're starting it here tomorrow. Security house. We're starting the foundation tomorrow. So, okay, thank you very much for watching, and God bless you all. We appreciate it.
Guys, see you guys some other time. Thank you for watching, and remember.